Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. I had questions, as I always do, about the drawing performance on the Surface Pro 9. I had heard a rumor that the Pro 9 had an improved drawing experience and that they had further iterated on what they did in the Pro 8 and the Surface Laptop Studio. However, I don't think that's accurate. I think it performs the same way as the Pro 8 and the Surface Laptop Studio. So I'm going to show a demo here on the screen of the Pro 9, and we're going to be using two stylus, the Renacer stylus and the Slim Pen 2, so you can get an idea of what that looks like. At the end of this video, I also have a short clip of the Slim Pen 2 on the Surface Go 3, which I will probably place in a separate video as well, just for ease of access. Alright, so without further ado, go ahead and watch these next clips. And I plan on taking a lot of the extra bulk content that I have here, and after a month or so, putting it into the member catalog. So if you are not subscribed to this channel and you want access to all of the content, please subscribe and become a member. If you want to make sure you don't miss something, then subscribe so that you have access to these new videos before they go essentially into permanent storage. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So let's take a look at this here. Alright, this is a Pro 9. This is this blue color. Actually, it was very pretty in person. Control-Shift-R will rotate videos in Windows 11, so keep that in mind. Alright, Slim Pen 2. This is in OneNote, the desktop, not the store version, which should have the same line quality. It is vector-based and does have some built-in stabilization, but I find it's one of the better options for testing because it's on all computers without having to really do any installation. And I think it does do a good job of demonstrating what this looks like on a in a drawing program that has some built-in stabilization. So essentially this is what you can expect to get. Here's the webcam. That's my face. Hello, my face. Quality seems to be better than on the Laptop Studio and the Surface. Actually, I'm not sure with the Surface Pro 8, but better than the Laptop Studio. I'm trying to gauge the distance to see if it is a wider angle video than the Surface Laptop Studio, which is really close. Like I have to sit further back from it to use it on the Studio. My use case is a little different. I have my machine actually right in front, about that distance from elbow to fist, about that distance from my face to the webcam, because I have it mounted at eye level. Alright, let's see. You get the idea. I can skip this one. This is a very close-up test, and this is in, I believe, whiteboard. And this looks the way that it does on the Surface Pro 8. That is a Laptop Studio in OneNote, not whiteboard. But again, line quality seems to be about the same. Alright, and here's the Laptop 5. Surface Laptop 5 right here. Actually seems to have the same screen as the Surface Laptop Studio and the Surface Pro 8 and 9. So quality is actually very nice, although I'm not sure that the form factor is very useful, but the screen itself was actually good. And here's the Surface Go 3 using the Slim Pen 2. I've been asked this question a handful of times, so I'm just throwing it in there. Slim Pen 2 does not perform well on the Surface Go 3. Here's the Surface Pen, the 2017 model, which I believe has had a little bit of updating here. You can see it's actually better tuned to work together. And not too bad. Alright, this last video is using the Renacer stylus. This is the one that I recommend for most Surface devices. And if you're looking at saving money over the Slim Pen 2, this is the best option that I've found. This is an older Renacer stylus, one that I keep in my car for just such an occasion. Let's skip ahead. Too far, too far. Okay, these lines are the ones by the Surface Slim Pen 2, and these are the lines from, obviously, the Renacer stylus. This is the R520. Alright guys, what do you think? Does the Surface Pro 9 with the same drawing experience have the same appeal as it did before? There is no noticeable improvements in drawing in the drawing performance of the Surface Pro 9. If you want to stay informed on Surface devices, then please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.